Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. This tutorial I'll be showing you how to check Steam account value and Steam inventory value tutorial. So let's begin. So first go to your Steam launcher, your name and profile, then go edit profile, and here you can see your custom URL, and this, if you haven't set it up. So when you've done that, go to privacy settings and set everything on public. Now go to your Steam, right click here anywhere and copy paste URL and go to your browser and Steam calculator or steamdb.info, and here I'll post this link in the description or comments, so go watch that and paste this link here, and you can set it euro and everything. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. So you can set it to anything. Is there Serbian? Yeah, there is not. Okay, so you will see here I'm level 73, 6.6 years of service, account value. So this is lowest game prices. So if there was a lowest game prices and my account would be selling for 673 euro, I mean that is the lowest game prices, but in today's price is 3,265. So bans and restrictions, you can see game bans in good standing and everything. For me it's a good standing. So here you can see your Steam ID, Steam 2 ID and everything, custom URL and csgo friend 5M. So here is, okay, this no longer works. Okay, never mind. So that was works hours per platform, but no problem. Games by time, play time. So never played. I have 377 games which I never played. So this is 53.5 or higher. I have 5 games, and you can see all these stats. And for so if I was selling my account, I would set it to 673 or 600 or 700. But yeah, that is really because I put a lot of effort, and as you can see guys, I have 367 games, but that games are not just random games, you know. So okay, let's head to csgo backpack.net, and here I will be quick because just paste this link here as we did, and make sure to have inventory on public. And okay, you see 0.5 euro. Oh my god. But I had, like, you can see history, I have a 68 euro, but I went, you know. But yeah, that's how you can check, and you can check all your skins and see how much you have and how much is it worth in total. And yeah, you can share this with somebody and they can see your inventory, but they can from this link. But yeah, load friends list, you can do that also and see you from your friends, but it's gonna take a long because I have a lot of friends. So yeah, that is it guys. Okay, you can see 5,453, and you can check from my friend. Okay, let's see. Download the inventory, because if you have bigger inventory it's gonna take more time, you know. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Now it's gonna take forever, I think, but okay, I will skip until it's loaded. And yeah, here you can check. Oh my god, congratulations to my friend. Oh, he had 14k, he sold some. Okay, I'm very proud of my friend. Good job, man. Congratulations on your skins, they're very nice. And yeah, you can show all, yeah, like this, and see counter of it. But he mostly have skins which are one, not multiplayer. But yeah, he has really decent skins, and I can bet that most of them are in his storage unit. But yeah guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and I will see you next one. Peace.